Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today, we are learning about feelings and emotions. We all feel different emotions. Let's learn 6 important ones. Happy. When I am happy, I smile. I feel good. Sad. When I am sad, I cry. I miss something or someone. Tired. When I am tired, I need to rest or sleep. Angry. When I am angry, I feel upset. Sick. When I am sick, my head or body hurts. I need rest. Scared. When I am scared, I feel afraid or nervous. Now let's read a story about 6 people and how they feel. This is Ali. He is 50 years old. He works a lot. He feels very tired. Ali goes to bed at 8 o'clock. This is Sarah. She is 30 years old. She has a cold. She feels sick. She drinks hot tea and rests. This is Ben. He is 7 years old. He lost his toy. He feels sad. He cries and says, "Where is my toy?" This is Amina. She is 10 years old. She plays with her friends. She is laughing. She feels happy. Mo is angry. The bus is late again. He waits a long time. Aisha is scared. She hears a loud noise in the dark. She hides under the blanket. Now it's your turn. How do you feel today? Write in the comments below.